Minotowers stay at the lowest health possible, and our creatures are as weak as possible. Let's see how far we can push it. This might be suicide. This might be being a little bit picky. But here we are. Intro. Oh! Cards. Field. Apparently, let's make a play this way. I think I get it. This is one of the few times we will see a wooden chest with the 5-second timer, but we don't care. We do have it might be trying to make us. No. Okay. One upgraded trooper. You really don't get a choice in that one. Very sorry about that. I believe this happens. Oh, we're going to learn something about defense. We have to defend these towers. Oh, okay. Archers. And not in the back like I placed them. Oh, no, just go over there. Okay, you really don't. And he can pull it. Alright, let's start again. Understand defense too. Awesome. Open these. How did we get experience? Because we upgraded that card. We can't upgrade cards that gets us experience. We're not well. Okay, but our experience is so that's oh, we do want to open chests to get new cards. We get to play with new cards. We just can't upgrade the cards. Alright. Let's training process. Okay. So this will be good for anyone who doesn't really get the concepts. This is really apparently really not getting a choice in how we can do cards. Tougher opponent. Let's see what this Pios does here. You guys made a good luck. Thank you, sir. I'm going to. Is he finally going to let me control the haven't used an arrow. Well, this will be our first match, so obviously I haven't used arrows for a while. First human match. Here we go. See how new count goes. So this guy's level 2. No! If you want me to just spend whatever little gems I get, what would I spend gems on? I guess that's the real question. Level 3 goblins, but because he awoke my king tower, I don't know wait and see what he does. Now we'll find the Yeah, do you want me to use the gems? Because I can use the gems. Yes. I only have time to. It won't last long, so I should be able to get gems out of some chests after doing some achievements and stuff. If you want me to gem out though, just leave a comment below. So now we're against another. This guy is winning the team. He's already in the guild. no, but no. That's how this game works. Okay. It's definitely. Get some more skellies out before they lock Oh, late fireball. Well, because I'm cocky and I'm staying level 1. See how it works out for us. Full of good slots. Alright, I'm going to at least get a video up to this place. Level 2, Shield Crashers. He's already, again, as I said, these guys in guilds straight away. Again, see, sometimes they make me wonder I just wanted to make sure, like, this is still 4 victories on this account, nothing before there. So, do we want to change? It's been working so well for us. What would the P.E.K.K.A. replace? It's only 3.8. I don't used the? Have I even used the arrows once yet? In 4 games, I haven't used the arrows. Let's throw it back in there. Let's see the arrows. Let's see what we do. Watch us lose because they throw some more down. I've used the. I did the. I think it was the second guy. He used the skelly scared me. And I used the arrows. And I've only used the fireball. Fireball's fireball. I've second guessed myself. We're going back. We're going back to the original deck here, boys and girls. Alright, we got a green guy. First level 3, so his ours. Alright, 1624. This will be a challenge. That was brilliant. His knight was 3 compared to my 2. Everything, you know, his giant was only 1 as well. Right? Let's keep him going. Level 2, but he's got up to 149 at level 2. Here we are. Now you did the back. A lot can be said just by how he he's got a level 2. You might even thought that was BM though, because alright, let's see if we can get one last win here to finish it. That would be nice. Finish with the win. Let me know if you like this new account idea. It's definitely fun for me. We lost one. We're up to 175. We'll leave it here till next time we get to make a video. Hopefully it's going to be tomorrow night. We'll see. I am working on 3 12-hour shifts in the next 3 days straight, so it's going to be tough to squeeze in there. Anyway, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. You guys are the best. Like, share, follow.